Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I will show you how I can add another account to Google Play Store. So at the first you have to open the Play Store, click Sign In, and right now we can add your first account. So I'll add this one, click Next. Right now we are able to enter your password, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and if you input correctly password, you can of course check by clicking to show password, and then you have to click next on the right bottom corner, tap agree. Let's enable the switcher, click to accept. And as you can see right now we are logged in with first account, and if you want to add another one, you have to tap on the right upper corner, click to add another account. Go for Google, and then simply input another account. Click next on the right bottom corner, and here you have to input your password. And when your password is correctly, you have to tap on the next in the right bottom corner and just be patient and wait a little bit, then hit agree button. And after a few moments, when you open your Play Store another time and just tap on the right upper corner and tap on this arrow, you are able to switch between accounts just like that. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.